talk about simplifying algebraic expressions. In simplifying algebraic expressions, we have to know that we have to combine similar terms. So, and then using also the properties of real numbers, so that we have talked about before. So, moving further, I'll give you some examples on how to simplify some algebraic expressions. So, let's start. So the first example is okay, sorry. So the first example that I have is letter A. Letter A. Okay. 3 3x minus 2y plus x minus 3y minus 7. So 3x minus 2y plus x minus 3y plus 7. So how do you do that? So first of all is to combine all of those which are similar terms. So similar terms like 3x and x, so they have the same variable, so they are similar terms. We can combine them, so that would give you 5x, and then 5x, another similar term here is 2y, since we have the same variable in 3y. So negative 2y plus negative 3y is just negative 5y. Sorry, this one is 4x. 4x. Okay, let me just erase that. Let me just erase that. First one, hard eraser. So let me just erase this, and I'm so sorry. 3x plus x is 4x. So 3x plus 4x, 3x plus x is just 4x. So let me shift to the pencil once, and this is 4x. So 4x. 3x plus x is 4x minus 5y is equal to negative 2y plus negative 3y is 5y, and you've got negative 7. So the answer to this simplified algebraic expression is 4x plus 5y equal to negative 7. So that's the how you simplify an algebraic expression. Another example I'll have another example is letter B. Letter B is 2r minus 5 multiplying 3 minus r in parentheses plus 4. Okay, now how do we solve this problem? So first of all, we use the distributive law. So this one we simplify it first. 2r minus 15 minus, because negative plus negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive, and that's negative 5 times r is 5r. 5r. Okay, and just copy 4. Okay, now we have similar terms here, 2r and 5r. So we combine them, so it becomes 7r minus another like terms here, 15 and 4. So negative 15 minus plus 4 is 11. So 7r minus 11 is the final answer. Let's move on to the next example. So the next example is this. 4t minus 5 over 4s in parentheses, and don't forget, and then sorry, 2/3 t plus 2s. So let me just remove the extra markings there. So extra markings, hard eraser. I'm just going to remove this one, so there's nothing there. So 4t plus minus 5 over 4s minus 2 over 3t minus 2s. So first of all is to simplify all of this and taking out the parentheses. So this one becomes 4t. Oops, there's no there. So this one becomes 4t minus 5 over 4s minus, so we distribute the negative sign to all of them, so we just say that it's 2/3 t minus distributing the negative side to the positive, so 2s. So just let's just make sure that's 4t minus 4s minus 2 over 3t minus 2s. So now we combine the like terms, the s's and the t's, so that gives you 4t minus 2 over 3t, and then negative 5 over 4s minus 2s. Now, what we do is that we combine like terms here. So when we combine like terms, it becomes, this one's 4t, so all over 3. So all over 3 for t, for t, 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 4, that gives you 4, 12, that's 12. That's 12t minus 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 2 is 2t. Okay, so 12t minus 2t over 3. And this one becomes all over, so this one is plus, so I'm going to have a negative sign. It's all over 4 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 5, negative 5s. And then this one becomes negative 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 2 is 8. So 8s. Let me check. Okay, negative 8 plus. Okay. Now we can combine the similar terms now, right now. So it becomes 12. Let me go here. Let me go here, and this one becomes 12t plus 2t becomes minus 2, 10t. 10t all over 3 plus minus, since it's a negative sign, negative 5 and negative 8 becomes negative 13, right? 13s over 4. So that's your final answer, 10t over 3 minus 13s minus 4. So I have another example here, so let's move on. This another example involves two variables in one term. So let me give you the example. That gives you 2mn minus 5m plus 3mn plus n. So what we do here is that we combine like terms. 2mn and 3mn are the combined like terms. You cannot add 2mn to 5m because they are not the same. They don't 5m doesn't have n. And similarly 3mn cannot be added to 3 to n because they are not the same. It doesn't have m. So what we do now is we combine 5mn and 3m. That gives you 5m, sorry, m, it's not working, okay, mn, just remove that, it's not working. My pen is not working, okay, it's working, so it's, let me remove this again, so sorry about that, so remove this again, so we get 2m, 3m plus 5n. We get 5mn minus 5m plus n. So notice that we did not we did not add we did not add 5m, and n. So they are separate. Now, we could further simplify this by taking out 5m for each of this term. So the two terms becomes 5m, this one, n minus 1 plus n. So guys, that's the final answer. So 5m minus n minus 1 plus n. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give a thumbs like, you give a subscribe, and comment out below if you have certain questions about math. But seriously, just subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to keep on solving and wait for the next episode.